a new vlog. Like what I said, akala namin yung pandemic parang 1 month lang, makakabalik na kami sa QC. But I think we're staying here for the rest of 2020. Ang ingay ni Ann. I don't see a reason pa para bumalik sa QC kasi hindi pa rin ako confident na magputay. Ano ba? Maris ka dyan. So, this is my old room. I think nakita nyo na to. It's really old. Lahat ng gamit dito. It's been here for the last 10 years. No one is sleeping here. In the last 10 years, walang natutulog dito. So, nung nag-move kami dito, nandito lang yung mga clothes ko and lahat ng mga PR. Ito, this is the amount of clothes I have gathered in the last 3 months. Mga binili ko, mga pinadala. So, yun nga, since we're staying here until the end of 2020, this is the house where I grew up. So, sabi ko, sige, ayusin ko na. Actually, si Miggy yung nag-pilit sa akin na mag-ayos. So, this is day 1. And we are going to remove everything. Tawag dito, throw away all the things na hindi naman namin ginagamit. Ito, actually, nakakasayang kasi itong mga to, legit kahoy siya, mga pure nara. I don't know ang tawag dyan. Pero yan, yung kama, let go na. This is an extra bed, let go na. So, yung flooring na to, it's been here since ginawa yung house. Yung tiles na yan, mag-repaint, bibilihin lahat. So, basically, gastos talaga ako. Love yung tsura mo dyan. And like, hoy, don't throw the angels! Don't throw the angels! Don't throw the angels! Ano sabi mo? Bakit? Matalino daw ba ako?
MTG.
Ano yan? Certificate of Oo, gago! Mathematics Trainers Guild. Nag-MTG nga ako. Magaling ako sa math.
May point ka pala ng patay na ako buhay.
Gago ka.
Hindi, seryoso nga?
Oo, gago. Nag-MTG ako. Sobrang, I love math. As in, sobrang love ko yung math. Pero nung nag-high school ako, since nga nag-rebel ako dahil umalis ako ng St. Paul, ayun, hindi na ako nag-aral. Pero yeah, when I was in grade school, ayun yung uniform namin sa St. Paul. Ayun ako.
Talaga umalis ng paa.
Gig, why, Furby? Yan yung pwede mong... Para kung kubatin ako.
Lalaki si Piglet, babae.
Lalaki.
Sa akin.
Sino
Oh
yan?
no, more stuffed toys.
Alisan mo na yung bola.
Ma-allergy tayo dito.
Ang cute. Ang
Oh
dami!
my god, that motherfucker looks scary. Who is this?
Ito?
Oh.
Mahilig ako dati sa mga ganyan. So, ito na lang yung mga gamit na magsistay. Here are the things that we are letting go of. Halo ng trash and mga old stuff toy. Mga storybook, kanyan. So, lalagyan na lang namin siya sa baba para masort ng mga tao. So, lahat yan aalisin. Ayan, clear na yung parang cabinet dyan. Hey guys, so today is day 2 and we were able to remove all of the furniture. So, the beds, 2 beds and the vanity. There was a study table. So, ayan. Ito na lang yung mga things na kailangan namin ilabas. We were able to move out itong table and this one. Tapos, yung goal today is maalis yung flooring kasi magta-tiles. So, parang magiging ganito siya. Aalisin lahat ng mga to. Ayan. Update on the room. Medyo madami na natatanggal. With this room, we have a smaller place to work with. This room, baby, siguro, half lang ng room ko sa QC. I'm thinking, sana mapa-work ko ang 150k budget.
That's too much.
Awe?
Pintura ka lang eh.
Dude! Kama, cabinet, vanity. Okay, 100 papagkasyahin natin. Hi, wanna beer? You're smiling, Baba. Oh, you're so cute. Halika na. So, as you can see, the sun has already set. And this is the end of day 2. And, ayan, natanggal na ang mga wood stuff. Pero, yan, after nito, kailangan pa siya ibaba. I'm not sure lang anong uunahin, kung yung paint or yung tiles. But, at least we are done with this. Ang problema ko lang, sobrang ingay nito kapag tiniles na. I almost forgot na nag-vlog pala ako. So, I'm gonna share with you how it looks like to work from home. Like usually, di ba, we have shoots, pero now we have to do it digitally since, pandemic. Hi! Can you go with Ella upstairs? Pero Ella, natanggal yung flooring so medyo makalat. I arrived 7:30. I woke up mga before 8. Tapos naligo na ako kagabi. Wait, Luna! So, this is our setup. Mika and Koy is, nasa call sila with the prod team. So, everything is happening digitally. Ayan. So, all instructions are given via Zoom call. So, nagsiset up pa rin kami. At may epal na po dito na 2 babies. Hi, Wana! Hi, Bobo! Hi, Bowie! Hi, Wana! Okay, so I'm done with my makeup. You're gonna go to work na?
Yeah. I'm a schoolboy.
Sobrang simple lang na makeup. Koy helping me out with the tech. Babe, can you get the fence for the dogs? Maglalagay ako ng fence dito sa kala Luna. Kasi tingnan mo, nakiki-epal sila dun, oh. Hey, girl! Stop! This is my first outfit for the first layout. And sobrang cute kasi ilang beses ko na nagamit to. So, gamit na siya. Again, this is the one I got from Verge Girl. Nandun siya sa haul ko. Nakalink siya doon. Ayan po, nasa-stress na po ang team. So, ito na yung setup natin. Nagpalit tayo ng curtain. Whatever yung shoot namin, nakikita nila dito. So, nakikita ng team.
Upwards.
Ayan, Zoom call din yan. Yung purpose na to, parang for setting up and instructions. Wow, babies! Kinakain kasi nila yung plants. Kaya dyan sila. I'm seeing myself. Hi.
I love it.
Just want to double check lahat ng lights are off now.
Yes!
House.
So we're only using this.
Ay naman, because we will cut it also eh.
Okay.
So, hindi makikita yung tattoo. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, action. 3, 2, 1, action.
Dami naming food. Kare-kare, tofu, sisig. Ano to? Chop suey. Max's chicken, nilaga, and baked sushi. Yay. Sama ka sa team? Makakain ka. Hey guys, I'm done with today's shoot. I'm super excited for like the output, the final thing that's gonna go out kasi I really had so much fun filming it. Ang gaganda ng shots namin. Sobrang excited ako nung makita nyo yun. I'm here outside with Miggy. Chill lang kami dito. And this is something I like about our house here. We have a space where we can chill. Feel mo yung air, you hear the birds. Ayan, narinig mo rin yung mga dumadaan na tao. Well, lately there's a lot of construction here sa house. Like you can see, ang daming construction dito nang nangyayari. Sa loob ng room ko, we're doing the renovation, so medyo maingay. Pero I'm very, very excited for the room. I'm gonna go up in a while. This is also the day 3 of the room renovations. Natanggal na yung flooring. Sa start na yung walls ng room ko. So, I'll show you later.
And by the way, babe, pakita mo ibibenta na yung cars.
Ay, bebenta na yung cars?
Ibibenta na yung cars. That! Ayan, yung dalawang yan.
Anong papalit mo?
Yung BRZ and yung WRX, ibibenta na yan both.
O, saan nila, kung gusto nila bilhin, saan nila i-message ikaw?
Yeah, just DM me.
Sabi ko kay Miggy, magpalit na lang siya either pick up or SUV kasi mas travel friendly. Kasi for our lifestyle right now na we are running a lot of things, we need to be
I know.
we need to be in a lot of places. Kailangan yung panglaspagan na kotse. So sayang yung kotse niya. Sabi ko, benta mo na lang, buy a new one na mas pasok sa lifestyle natin. I suggest pick up talaga, lobby. Okay, like what I mentioned, this is day 3 of room renovation. So let us go up and see ano nang itsura ng ating room. Yes muna. Pero yung floor, yung walls, ano nang gagawin? Kikinisin na? Lilihain. Okay, sige. So, ayun, medyo maalikabok na kasi nililinis na nila. Tapos, kikinisin na yung walls in preparation for painting. Yes, Papa. Yes. 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 So, ayun guys. By the way, Tanaw Studio will be helping me in sourcing and styling my room. Sobrang huge deal no sourcing for me kasi I want to get the pieces na pasok sa budget and maganda yung quality. Because last time, I spent 200K doon sa renovation ng room ko sa Quezon City, if you remember that. And now, since this room is smaller, I'm thinking sana magkasya yung 100K. Kasi guys, sa January, aalis rin ako dito. I'm gonna go back, of course, to my house in QC. And yun naman ang ipaparenovate natin. So, I don't wanna go too crazy regarding the renovation here because mainly, I really want to have my own space here. Like what I mentioned, I feel like I need to have my own space so that I'll be able to film properly already. A space where I can put all of my things. Because right now, it's literally everywhere. You see PR packages around the house talaga. Lahat ipapakita ko sa inyo. You'll be part of this renovation journey. Ayoko na siya gawing compilation. So, step by step, makikita niyo. Hey guys, update on the room. We were able to clean it all. So, lahat ng dumi dito, naalis na. So, we will be working on the tiles. Tapos, di ba parang may iba-iba yung color before. Parang you will be able to feel it talaga na naka-emboss siya. Pero ngayon medyo flat na siya. So, ready na siya for repainting. Marami nag-message sa akin na sayang daw yung wood. And may mga nag-message din sa akin na binibili yung wood. But unfortunately guys, i-reuse siya ng dad ko. And matagal na yun eh, 2001 pa yun. Pero maganda pa rin yung itsura niya. Hindi lang perfect yung pagkakalagay according to my parents. And it's a rare wood na. So, ayun, i-reuse siya ng dad ko. Sabi ni Mickey, papalitan ko na. Pero nasasayang ako kasi buong-buo pa siya. So, ayan, kasalanan ko yun ng bata ako. Mahilig ako maglagay ng mga stickers. Inaaway ako ng parents ko. So, papaalis ko na lang to. Like, papakinis ulit. Papa-repaint na lang. And then, change the knobs. The CR, hindi ko na ipapa-renovate yung CR. Kasi nga, may shower dyan, may toilet, may sink. It's pretty okay. And ayoko na masyado siyang ipagalaw since magastos ang CR eh. Yung door na lang yung papalitan. So, this one, of course, it will be styled by Tanaw as well. I think this is just 16 square meters. So, I'm really hoping magkasya yung budget. What's that? Kailangan daw mag-face mask and meron na daw fine if you don't. Kasi we're in the province, there's no PUI, there's no cases here. So feeling ko yung mga ibang tao parang, okay lang yan, walang mask. Pero at least they're doing those effort to let people know that they have to wear their mask. Ni Luna smiling. Baby, you can't go in kasi tingnan mo maalikabok anak ko. Magiging kulay gray kayo. This is probably the last footage ng room. Kasi I'm vlogging tomorrow. It's my first time to go to QC for a work. My very, very first work. So, vlog ko rin yun. So, I'll show you the room and yung progress. Okay, so this is the progress. We started drilling the floor, but we realized na there's no need for that kasi sayang ang kapal niya. And also, matibay pa naman daw. So, I guess we're gonna fill it up with cement to just flatten it up. And ito yung napili kong tiles. It's exactly the same one na meron ako sa QC, yung room ko sa QC. I just want this parang clean looking wood but it's actually tiles. So, yan. Ito pa lang yung nagawa nila today. And I'm actually very glad that they stopped drilling na. Kasi, yun nga, sayang. And then, ang lala niya guys, kasi kanina, parang everything was covered in dust. So guys, that is it for the room. And I'm super excited na ma-paint yung walls and mas exciting na yung next parts because we'll start to style and source it with Tanaw. And yun lang. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. So I will see you in next week's vlog. Take care.